Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to find two largest value in arbitrary list in Python. So first we are going to define our function and we will name it. First we are going to define and we will name it find two largest, and it will take a list, my list, and over here we will determine max value and second of first two elements of our list, and we may swap if out of order. So our variable will be max value, and our second variable is set to my list and slice with 2. And here we are going to check if max value is less than second. We're just gonna swap, and this will be max value second is set to second, and max value. Then we are going to use a for loop, and this will be for I in range will start from 2 and length of our list, my list. We are going to loop through our list, and over here if our list index element is a new max value, then max value becomes that maximum value, and second becomes the our old max value. So this will be if max value is less than our my list, and we are going to pass in I for index and a max value, and second are set to the current my list element. So that will be my list, and pass in our index and max value. And if value is larger than second but smaller than max value, we are just going to update second. So this will be if second is less than my list, and pause in our index. This will be, we are going to update the second with the current element of our list. So this is my list, and we're just at the end return max well and second, the both value. We can test this function. First we are going to define and initialize our list. This would be list 1, and the elements are 10, 2, 3, 9, 5, 4, 1, and we can pass into our function find two largest, and we can pass in our list, and we can just go ahead and print the return values. Just gonna save it and run our program. This is list 1. And this is max value. And when we run our program, we can see it printed the two largest value in our arbitrary list. And those are 10 and 9. We can check our list. And we can see over here, these are the largest value, 10 and 9 in our list. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel, Asim Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.